Welcome back, vdiscovery viewers. Today I am by myself in the studio, but that's okay because I am going to answer a simple question for you that we get asked all the time. What is the best way to transfer data to vdiscovery for processing or hosting? Now, this question is going to apply when you're working with other vendors as well, but I'm going to answer it specifically for vdiscovery. Whenever we deal with smaller data sizes under 20 gigabytes, we prefer to use file service called ShareFile. What we'll do is send you an upload link, and you'll be able to click on a link that will take you to a web page where you can take your data, drag and drop it in, and they'll be uploaded to a secure location on vdiscovery's server. However, if data is over 20 gigabytes, we prefer to use a standard FTP client. FTP server deals better with large data sets. You would also be using an FTP client, which allows you to monitor progress of your upload better. Now, when we get to data sizes that are larger, maybe 80 gigs to 100 gigs, or if your internet speed isn't terribly fast, we would be happy to accept the physical media. You can copy your data to a thumb drive or a hard drive and ship it over to vdiscovery. You can contact project manager to give you the contact information to put on a shipping label, and if it's in New York City, we can send the messenger over to pick that up. Another situation you may have is if you have a hard drive with a lot of data that you want to ship to us, however, you want processing to start right away. What you can do in that case is take maybe 50 gigs or 100 gigs and FTP that over to us while the hard drive is being shipped overnight. This way, processing will start right away, and when we receive the hard drive, we will process the rest of the data that wasn't transferred by FTP. Now let's talk about a few things to avoid. If you already have your data on file sharing services such as DropBox, you can send us a link to that data. However, if you send us a link to a folder with hundreds or thousands of files, it may be difficult for us to download that data. The reason for that, person who you're sharing data with doesn't have the same tools for downloading and manipulating files as you do, who are the owner of that account. So in some cases, we will have to download those files one at a time, and certain file sharing services will not allow us to create a zip of that data. In that case, it's best to share a zip file with us that's been uploaded to a Dropbox, OneDrive, or one of those services. Another thing to avoid, if you are using file share link that's been given to you by our project manager, do not upload loose files to that share. It will take longer to upload, and you will be losing certain file system metadata. It's best to create an archive first, such as zip. We usually recommend the WinRAR archive that stores high precision dates and times, so all the file system metadata is preserved. Once you create an archive, you can drag and drop it to a share file, and again, it will be uploaded to our secure location. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get data to vdiscovery for processing or hosting. If you have any questions, make sure to speak to your project manager, who will be able to guide you on the best way to upload a specific data type you may have, or specific quantity of data that may be in your possession. Anyway, don't forget to follow vdiscovery on social media networks listed on your screen, and for previous videos, check us out on YouTube. Thanks for watching.